Hello students, now let us see indefinite integration part 2. We are continuation of part 1 already completed. So now let us see part 2. So we already discussed that what is integration. It is nothing but anti-differentiation or anti-derivative, or you can say it is just the inverse process of differentiation. Now let us see the remaining formulas. I am writing the integration of secant x dx. Yes or no? So that answer is log secant x plus tan x. Now the question will arise in your mind how. So similarly consider this as x total secant x plus tan x. So what you will write if you take the differentiation of log x, then what you will write? Log differentiation is 1 by x, then apply the chain rule. Then the secant x will be secant x into tan x. Tan x will be secant square x. So take the secant x common outside, then numerator denominator will get cancelled. So you will get the secant x. You just try by yourself and get it done definitely, because previously I told you the method how to do it. Clear? Now go to the next one. Integration of cosec x dx. So what it will be? Log of cosec x minus cot x. Same way you can consider it as cos. So your differentiation of log x will be 1 by x, then apply the chain rule. Now cosec x you do the integration and cot x also you do the integration. Then common will be your cosec x, take it outside, numerator denominator will get cancelled. You will get your answer as cosec x. Clear? Now next cot x, same way log sin x, because log sin x if you differentiate what you will get? 1 by sin x, then differentiation of sin x will be cos x. So cos x by sin x, cos x by sin x is cot x. Simple. Next secant square x dx. You know the differentiation of tan x is secant square x. So integration of secant square x is tan x. Direct formula. Then come to the cos x square x dx. Then integration of it. What you will find? Minus cot x dx. Why? Because the differentiation of your cot x is nothing but minus cos x square x. Yes or no? Differentiation of cot x is minus cos x square x. So minus of minus will get cancelled. So it will come as cos x square x dx equal to minus cot x. Yes or no? Similarly, differentiation of secant x is secant x into tan x. You already studied in 11th maths. Similarly, your differentiation of cosec x. What you write? Minus cosec x into cos x. So integration of cosec x cot x is minus sign, you get it transferred to right. So minus cosec x plus arbitrary constant c. Okay. Then you know your differentiation of sine inverse x. What it will be? 1 by root of 1 by x square or not? Now same inverse process. So integration of dx by 1 minus x square root is nothing but your answer will be sine inverse x plus c. Similarly secant inverse x, the differentiation what it will be? 1 by x whole into 1 minus x square root. Yes or no? Now you are doing the inverse process, so integration of that. This is direct trigonometric formulas what you have studied, you are getting. Similarly tan inverse x differentiation what it is? 1 by 1 plus x square. Yes or no? So hence the inverse of that, if you do integration, you will get tan inverse x plus c. This is direct formulas. Tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square. So integration of 1 by 1 plus x square is tan inverse. This is also direct. Secant inverse x equal to 1 by x whole into root of 1 minus x square. This is direct. Sin inverse x is 1 by root of 1 minus x square. So hence directly you are doing. This also direct. This also direct. This also direct. This also direct. This you need to analyze how it is coming. These three you need to practice. Remaining this is directly related to your differentiation formula. Just you have to shuffle it from right to left. That answer for derivative should be in the left side of integration, and integration answer is nothing but what you are going to do the differentiation. Okay? Just take your notebook, make a note of it and practice it 2 to 3 times so that you will have the good clarity. In next video I will upload about the properties of this integral. Okay, what are the properties? What we are studying about it, that are the things you will see in the next video. Okay students, thank you, take care, bye bye.